Hey, I'm Delia, the bartending realtor. Let's make a Pimm's Cup. In England, the Pimm's Cup is the go-to cocktail for a hot summer day. In this cocktail, the spirit used is Pimm's No. 1, which is an herb and gin-based liqueur that has a low alcohol content, so it's okay to have a few or more. There are many variations of this cocktail. The garnishes can be personalized, but cucumbers are mandatory. I'm going to show you my version. Here are the items you'll need: bar spoon, muddler, some mint leaves, cucumber slices. I like to slice mine lengthwise, some Mandarin slices, a few strawberry slices, sparkling lemonade, and of course, Pimm's No. 1. We start by adding the mint leaves into the glass. Add the 2 Mandarin slices, strawberry slices. I give it just a little muddle just to get the mint oils released. Add about 3 cucumber slices. Add some ice. Two ounces of Pimm's No. 1, and then top with a sparkling lemonade. Give it a little stir. Add a mint sprig. And there you are. Pimm's Cup. Cheers.